Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gloria. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how I achieve this look. It's called invisible locks. It's a style that emulates how normal locks or naturally made locks look like when it's been styled. So this style is a simple style, quick and easy. You could use it to go to school, work, rock it to different occasions. I think the way you style it will actually matter to these occasions. So yes, I got the inspiration for the hairstyle from someone I really admire on this app. Her name is Chef B. You guys should check her out and follow, that's my mentor, my boss. So yes, back to business. So for this hairstyle, I already parted my hair earlier and I used Kinky Marley twist from Beauty by Amore, and I used a coily extension from X-Pression. And then for this hairstyle, this method I'm using is really simple. There are a lot of methods to do this, but this is the one that I really liked, and I feel it will be so easy for a beginner to do. So watch, sit down, and yes, get your books or get your mannequins. So for this hair, I split the front of my hair into 6 because I wanted it large. You could do yours smaller, as I said earlier. So you just split it into 2 or the number you want. Then for that particular one strand, you would split it into 2 parts and just braid it down the tip a little, not too tight, just braid it down a little loosely. Then use your crochet hook to pass your Kinky Marley twist. You could use normal kinky twists, that one would go, but then I really like the idea of using the Kinky Marley twist. Slowly pass it through the point where you braided down, just the beginning of the loose plating. Pass it for both of them, both sides. Then gently twist it, just like how they twist natural locks, or when they want to retwist your hair, your locks after it's already old. You twist it slightly, flatly, then twist it to the extension with your normal hair. Ensure you use the gel, or I use the Cantu Rite Cantu Rite edge control. So you could use that, or you could use any other gel you have. Then twist it. When you've twisted for both sides, you now join the both of them together, then twist down. And as you're twisting down, ensure you twist in the right direction, because if you don't twist in the right direction, it's going to unravel. So you twist each of them in opposite direction, then twist the main twisting down in an opposite direction too. I don't know how to explain it, just look at what I'm doing and and then watch. I would repeat it severally so that you'll be able to get a hang of it. So let me stop talking now so that you can watch it. As you twist down, remember to twist tight and in opposite direction, just like how you would when you're doing a normal braiding hair twist. So ensure you twist tight, or else it will unravel, but then not tight enough to spoil your hair or drag your hair. Then attach the goddess. This is a goddess invisible lock. So attach the goddess somewhere in the twist. You just put it use your pin to hold it high so that it doesn't interfere, then twist down. That's just it. So this is a clearer view of what I'm doing. I think this particular side is really clear. You just twist as flat as you can twist in the opposite direction. As you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing now. When you twist it till the end, you just twist it down, add your edge control or whatever gel you have to make it smoother. Twist, just simple, not too tight, because if you tug it too tight, you already feel your hair, the pressure on your hair. Then you clip that side, take another one, twist in the opposite direction from the first one you did. Yes, so when you twist everything just the same way you did as the first one, then you now join the two strands together and twist them all together. So when you're twisting down, you twist it tight, then ensure you're like twisting the individual strands and hiding your hair or your goddess. Hide it properly so that it doesn't come out. Then you twist down as tight as you can twist. but not with so much pressure as to tug your hair or put so much pressure on your hair. For the tips, just measure the length you want. If you want a 14, if you want a 12, if you want a 10. I think this is a 12. So when you get to that part, just measure the length you want, then wrap it all round at the base. Just wrap it as tight as you can wrap it till the last straw. Then you use your hands to flatten it out. And you're done. That's just it. As easy as anything. Then your goddess, you can separate it if you want a fuller look. If you don't want a fuller look, you can just leave it how it is. It just depends on whichever extension you're using for the goddess. For my edges, I'll be using the Papaya Hair Wax. You guys know now, I'm not a big edge queen. I'm not dramatic about my edges. I just want simple edges because it's literally meant to be baby hairs, not auntie and uncle hairs. So simple swoop for your edges, and then this is a really pretty hairstyle. And I really hope to see a lot of you guys recreate this hairstyle. If you recreate it and use my method, just tell me, holla. Please do not forget to like, share, comment. Put on your notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.